Hey everyone, I am so excited to bring you this video today because I'm working in partnership with an amazing company called FabFitFun who make these incredible subscription boxes, and I am so excited to share this with you. So you guys probably know that like as a YouTuber, I get offers quite a lot to do like sponsorships and things like that, and I don't really take them very often because I only want to work with companies I actually like. I know that sounds obvious, but I get a lot of companies that I'm just like, well, I don't really believe in you and I don't really like your product that much, I'm not gonna lie about it. These guys approached me and I was just like, yes, please. Oh my god, I was so excited to work with them. There's a hell of a lot to tell you about them, but I am genuinely very, very excited about this. FabFitFun sent me this massive box of goodies that is so huge I can barely lift it. And this is their summer subscription box that they've just released. So they release one every, I think it's about 4 times a year, something like that, so it's kind of like seasonal. And I've got to say, like, I love subscription boxes because I love the surprise element, I love not knowing what you're going to get, I love discovering new brands and like new products and stuff. This one is literally twice the size of any other I've got. Like, just physical size. Like, look at it. It is the size of me. It is like a small Kyrouac. When you buy this box as part of the subscription, it's like under £50, I think, plus a bit of shipping. But, like, the stuff inside it is valued at over £150, so I am big on savings. I'm all about that. There's, like, options you can do now to customize what's in the box as well, but because I like surprises, I was like, just send me whatever you want. So I have no idea what's in here. We're going to be opening it today, and I'm just going to be giving you my first impressions of everything inside it and sharing it with you. And we can kind of talk a little bit about the company as well. So I'm going to do this while I open the box, because, you know, needs to get my scissors out. One of the really cool things about FabFitFun, which I really like, is, so all the products in it are mostly based around like beauty and lifestyle and health and all that kind of stuff. What I absolutely adore is that it's not just about the products. Every box, they support like a charity, and so with this one, it's the Global Gift Foundation who do this amazing work, who did this absolutely amazing work, working with kind of underprivileged women and children and people from like tougher, poorer socioeconomic backgrounds. I just think it's an absolutely fantastic cause. The other big thing that I love is, ooh, this is exciting, sorry. The other big thing that I love is that so many of the products in here are from companies founded by women. So you're supporting other women by getting a box like this, as opposed to one that just has like generic makeup products in that, you know, some nameless, faceless company created, whatever. So we're just going to dive into this, see what's inside, have a little bit of a play around and some fun, and I cannot believe how full this box is. I'm not even joking, look at this. Look at this, it is packed to the brim. I've never seen a subscription box with so much stuff in it. I'm kind of struggling to hold it all here. So as always, like a lot of these subscription boxes come with like a little magazine and stuff. I kind of love that they're working with Eva Longoria on this one because I kind of love her a little bit. She's one of my favourite actresses. I can get girly sometimes, okay? I'm not all about the nerdiness. Oh my god, look at this. Where the hell do I start? Oh my gosh. Seriously. Can we just talk about how amazing this is? Okay, I'm just gonna dive in. Okay. So first up we've got, what are you? This is the Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish, which apparently smooths and exfoliates the skin. Oh, this is amazing. I have just had the worst skin week. You've probably noticed in my videos and my photos and stuff. Oh, it's so bad. When it's around my girl time, I get really hormonal, obviously, and it always breaks me out in spots. Not just on my face, but like kind of on my shoulders as well, and it's not nice. Something like this that's going to be kind of exfoliating and help me get rid of all the dry skin afterwards. I appreciate that. Open this up. I'm quite a like tactile person, so I like to play with stuff and like feel it and smell it, so don't mind me, I'm just gonna have some fun here. Ooh, that smells good. What is that? Yes, no animal testing. I'm already a big fan of this. You know I like my cruelty-free makeup and skincare products. It smells really, really clean. Do you know what I mean? It's not tea tree, but it's something like that. Like maybe sandalwood. That's a completely different smell to tea tree, but oh, I'm not good at naming smells, but it's nice. I'll give you that. So the cool thing about this is, because it's exfoliating, but it uses plant beads as opposed to anything like plastic or man-made, which means it's biodegradable, which means it's not going to damage the environment when you wash it off and like it goes down the drain. I like that a lot. You guys know that health and beauty and like feeling good and looking, well, not necessarily looking good, but feeling confident in myself is really important to me, but I don't want to do that to the detriment of the environment or to animals or anything like that. So the fact that this is environmentally friendly and it's not tested on animals, is everything to me. Apparently this retails at $57. That is the most expensive face anything I've ever had. I'm going to be trying that out tonight, trust me. As soon as I'm finished this video, I'm going to run myself a bubble bath, have a little pamper, play around with a few of these. Okay, next up we have the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Oh, it's a face mask! Oh my god, I love face masks. So it's supposed to illuminate your skin, brighten, refine, nurture. Also, cruelty-free, yes! Oh god, I love this box so much. Apparently this retails at $39. Oh my god, again, most expensive face mask I've ever used. And this is a pretty big tube, to be honest. This is like, what, 100 grams? Let's have a little smell of this, because why not? Damn, this is ridiculous. 2 products and you've already got your money's worth. This is a little bit insane, to be honest. How is this, like, literally the best value subscription box? Ooh. So this is actually, like, purpley in colour? Ooh, it smells like... It smells like violets. It literally smells like violets. Oh, and it's drying very quickly on my hand already. Alright, next up, I'm gonna look at this, because this looks really interesting. What are you? Okay. Burn through resistance bands. Oh, it's like an exercisey thingy. You know that thing that I never do? No, but seriously, I've got a gym in my building now and it's free to use, so I kind of have no excuse for not going to the gym anymore. So these are the burn resistance bands. I am going to actually have to look up what you do with these because... Ooh, they're kind of weighty, chunky bands. So I've never used resistance bands before, and I honestly probably would never buy them on my own, because I get scared of doing physical activity. I know, don't judge me. So this is kind of why I love subscription boxes though, because I always end up with stuff like this that I wouldn't normally buy myself. Oh, I'm gonna have to go to the gym now, aren't I? I hate stuff like this for encouraging me to be a better person. No, but seriously, this is what I mean though. This isn't something that I would ever go out and buy by myself, but the fact that I've been sent it, and now I'm like, oh, I want to try this out. I want to try these new things. It's very exciting for me. Let's move on to, oh, I see eyeliner. I love my eyeliner, you know I do. This is the Ico London I Do Liquid Eyeliner to line and enhance in the shade black. Damn, so according to the book, this retails at $22. It's a carbon black finish with a tripeptide boost to promote lash growth. That's kind of fun. I don't know if I've ever told you guys this before, but I have really short, stumpy lashes. Like, there's nothing to them, and they never grow fast. There's not a lot there. So anything that promotes a lash growth boost while I'm using eyeliner, perfect. Because every time I wear makeup, I wear eyeliner. It's like my go-to thing. I love it. Oh, it's my favourite. It's like a felt tip pen nib. These are my favourite kinds of eyeliner because they're so easy to use. They go on so smoothly. Like, you cannot go wrong with this. You can have the shakiest hand and it still comes out smooth. Oh, this is pretty. When it says carbon black, it means carbon black. Oh, this is dark. I like this. It's an eyeliner as dark as my black atheist soul. That joke's not been done before. Oh, I'm so excited to try that out. If I wasn't already wearing eyeliner, I'd be putting it on right now. If you want to see like pictures of this stuff being used, go follow me on Instagram at Rachel Oates, and I'll be posting about all this kind of stuff there and showing you and like giving you my honest opinions on how well they work and so on. God, there's still so much in here. Alright, moving on. Ooh, this looks fun. What are you? This is the Sol de... Oh, how do I say that? Janisa? It's a fat-absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. It's a Brazilian bum cream, apparently. Infused with all-powerful guarana extract. Oh, so this is like a two-part thing with this, which is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. These two apparently retail together at $45. This is insane. Apparently the all-over body cream, this one, is infused with guarana extract for radiant skin, while the shower cream gel deeply cleanses without stripping skin of its natural oils. That's amazing, because I've just been on holiday to the Dominican. I say just, it was about a month ago, but my skin's still kind of like suffering for it because I'm not used to the sun. I still have a bit of dry skin on like the tops of my legs and my hips, so the fact that this is going to be moisturizing without taking out the like natural oils in my skin, I like that. That is so useful. Let's give this a sniff. Do the sniff test. That's a thing, right? Does that sound a bit weird? No, we can do it. We can do the sniff test. Ooh, I like that. Oh, I like that a lot. So I'm actually using a marshmallow scented shower gel at the minute, so it would take a lot for me to switch away from using that. Oh, I think this might just have it. Oh, I wish YouTube had like smell-o-vision at this point. Let's open this one as well. I feel like a kid at Christmas. This is so much fun. This is a really cute little pot. Look at this. It's like a little egg, but upside down. Ooh. I'm just going to sit here for 20 minutes and sniff this. That's all the rest of the video is going to be, just... It's not weird to just sniff your arms in public, okay? Shut up. So, we're about halfway through the box here. Seriously, halfway through the box and all this already. If you do want to get one of these boxes yourself or like get a subscription to it, I thoroughly recommend it because I've wanted to subscribe to these guys for so long. I'm so happy they want to work with me. If you go to FabFitFun.com and enter the coupon code Oates, which is OATES, that's my surname, you can get 20% off, which is like even bigger savings than you're already getting. And you know I like to save money because I'm single and poor now. And I live in London where the rent is ridiculous. Okay, so first up we got some tiny little things here. What are you? Oh, no way! Oh, I've seen these! These are those, like, so they call them Invisibobble, traceless hair rings. These are the things that people use, right, to, like, tie their hair up and stuff. And, like, so there's, like, these plain colour ones, and there's these clear ones. And basically you tie your hair up with it, and you can barely see it's there. It's amazing! I've seen these all over Instagram. This is really cool. Yeah, the answer to all your ponytail problems, this revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip, yet leaves your hair traceless. Oh, you get, what is this, like 6 in here? These retail for like $16. Oh, I'm so excited to try these out. Alright, I know I just curled my hair, but screw it, we're giving it a go. Oh, these are so easy to use. Oh my god, there's like no pulling of your hair at all. Because I get really knotty hair. Look at this. I feel like my ponytail has so much more volume. Look at that. I'm very impressed. None of my hair came out. My hair constantly falls out, and every time I take my hair out with a hair tie, it like pulls half my head off. There was nothing. That was so smooth. Even with curls. Well, I'm impressed. So next up we have the Wish. It's an exfoliating foot mask. Oh, no way! Smooths and softens intense hydration. Ooh! Can I get really gross and real with you for a second and say I've always struggled with dry skin on my feet and it's really uncomfortable, and I recently invested in some pumice stones. But I don't really like them that much. And they always leave that like residue in my bath that I have to rinse out, and you have to like scrub and it's not fun. This might be what I need. Oh, okay, so it's not tested on animals. I like it a lot already. So it contains papain and willow bark extract to exfoliate. It's got pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract to polish, and bromelain, I don't know what that is actually, and black tea leaf extract to smooth and soothe your feet. And do the sniff test. Ooh. Oh, it's clear, which I kind of wasn't expecting. For some reason. I thought it would be more like a cream, but it is. It's like a gel. Ooh, it smells almost like, I want to say kind of citrusy, or what is that? Well, I guess there's the orange and lemon fruit extract in it. Maybe that's what I can smell. Oh, that's so good though. It's so soft on the skin. I know you're not meant to use it on your hands, but for the sake of testing, because I'm not getting my feet out on camera, you creeps. I get enough show feet messages on Instagram. Oh, that does smell really good. Oh, I'm going to be using that tonight as well. I am going to have the best evening to myself. I'm going to pamper myself. It's going to be amazing. You're all going to be so jealous. That retails at $32. Oh my god, wow. Okay. Next up we've got, oh, this is big. Okay, what are you? Look how big this is. Big boy. It's heavy. This is a Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Oh, it's a hydrating rose facial spray. Oh, this is exciting. I've just used up my favourite, like, again, actually it was rose scented, like a facial spray. This retails at $25.95. Often when I'm just sitting at my desk here working and stuff, especially because I've got like the sunlight coming in constantly, I do feel like my skin gets kind of dry and stuff, and I do want just like a little bit of like hydrating. Oh, that's so cute. You open up the box and it's like, good choice, winky face. Oh, I love that. Ooh, you're pretty. And it's pink. Oh, that's so nice. So I know it's like rose scented, and the first thing you're meant to think is like, oh, roses. No, I think of Rose Turkish Delight, which is like my favourite thing in the world. I want to smell like a Turkish Delight. I genuinely do. Also, paraben free, cruelty free, vegan. Nice! Alright, this last thing, I have no idea what this is. but it's got a big face on it, and it looks a little bit terrifying, and I'm very interested. Okay, so this is apparently the 111 Harley Street, London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Okay, so there's 5 masks in here. So the advanced structure of the 111 Skin Hydrogel Mask enhances absorption of moisture to create a protective barrier that keeps skin perfectly hydrated. The hydrogel mask, in combination with 24 karat gold and damask rose extract, fancy, works in powerful synergy to brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. Smush it on your face and leave it on, and you're all good. So it diminishes the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, which I need because I'm getting old now. It reinforces and protects skin barrier function, perfect. Rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin, need it. And the 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone. Ooh, let's have a look at these. These look fancy. I like them. Packaging is beautiful as well, even with the creepy face on them. Ooh, these are weighty. They're very weighty. Sparkle. Sorry, I'm turning into a girl here. I am very excited by these. I do love my like gel face masks as well. I love all my face masks really. Anything that covers my face and I'm there. Shut up. So these retail at $160. That's a lot of money. I would never buy $160 face masks. I can't believe you get all this for like $50 in a box. Well, I'm incredibly impressed. Wow, okay. That last one shocked me a little bit. I'm not sure how much these particular items all come to, but apparently the total value of this box, depending on what you get, is between $270 and $470 for $50, plus you can get 20% off with my code Oates. So that's impressive. The really cool thing about the FabFitFun box as well, like I say, is that you can customize it. So if there's things here that you don't like, you can always swap them out for other things. So sometimes they'll do other stuff. So like other options in this box were like a kimono, some really cute bowls for around the house, a hairdryer, like some jewelry, all sorts of cool stuff. So if you want, you can go online when you order your subscription box and like customize it so you can pick these cool things that you get. And sometimes they're like mystery items as well. But it's amazing. Personally, I just wanted the surprise and to grab all these really cool things that I would not normally buy. And I'm so excited to try them out. This is absolutely incredible. I am so excited that these guys are finally able to deliver to the UK because I've wanted to try these out for so long. I've seen their boxes on Instagram for so long and just people getting really excited by them. And now I get why. I totally get why. So don't forget, follow me on Instagram if you want to see me trying out these products and letting you know like my opinions once I'm actually using them. I'll be posting all that stuff over there. For now, first impressions, I am so happy and excited. I think the big things I can't wait to try out are the micro polish, the exfoliating like face and body polish, and the ultraviolet clay mask. Oh, I love my face masks and stuff. I can't wait. That said, the Brazilian shower gel, the smell of this, I cannot wait. So if you want to grab all these amazing things, customize the box for yourself, sign up as soon as possible. I thoroughly recommend it. You can sign up for like a longer subscription where you get all 4 boxes every year, or you can sign up for shorter ones where you just try out a box. Don't forget to use my code Oates, that's OATES, for 20% off. And just a huge thank you to FabFitFun for wanting to work with me. It's a brand and a company that I absolutely love. And like I said, the other great thing is how they support charities, which again is so important to me. So many of these products are cruelty free and vegan. Again, that's very important to me. And yeah, just a huge thank you to them for wanting to work with me and give me this opportunity to share this amazing brand with you guys. I know this kind of video won't be for everyone. Not all of you are into the kind of health and beauty kind of stuff, but you know I love it. You know it's a passion of mine. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch and listen to me today as I gush and act like an absolute child at Christmas and just I had so much fun with this. If you guys are subscribed to any subscription boxes, let me know what you recommend and what you like, what your favourite products are that you've got from a subscription box before. If you are subscribed to FabFitFun already, let me know what you thought of this season's box and let me know your favourite products and what you got in yours. I just cannot wait to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon. Thank you so much to everyone supporting me on Patreon this month, with a special thank you going to Data Jack, Gambit and his chauffeur, Liv's Pantyhose Addiction, Berg, Jadeon Sheppard, Robert Korte, Peter Kyrouac, Sir Michael Moore, Christina the Atheist, Opitz, Sage Villarreal, Greg Ladd and Loren Hart. You and everyone else supporting me on Patreon is absolutely amazing and I wouldn't be able to do this without you. Thank you so much.
Roaming for days so I don't have to go home, wasting my time listening parcels.